We're staying in our new metal plate.dwg file. And as you can see, we're back in the model tab again. And I'd like you to zoom up towards the end of your section view here, like so. So a little bit of zooming and panning so that you can see what's going on there. Make sure on the layer drop down you're using your text layer as the current layer as well. Now we're going to take a look at utilizing an annotative text style. Now before we do anything else, we're going to jump to the Sections and Elevations Layout tab. Hover over the edge of our viewport here and just check the scale of our viewport, which is 1:2. So that means in the Model tab, down here on the status bar, our annotation scale needs to also be 1:2. We're then going to go to the Annotation panel on the Home tab on the ribbon, click on the flyout there and select our text style icon there like so. Now you'll notice we do have an annotative labels model anno, indicating it is an annotative text style. And it is annotative, it's ticked, and it's got a paper text height of 5. Now, paper means paper space, which is your layout tab. So basically, using an annotative piece of text in a text style, it'll scale it up so it's always 5 millimeters high in the layout tab. So what we'll do there is we'll leave that there and we'll set it as the current text style and close. Then we'll place some single line text. So we're going to go to the Annotation panel, click on the flyout and select single line text. Come into the drawing area and right click. Select Justify, and we're going to want middle left, ML. And it asks for the middle left point of the text. Use your midpoint snap there. And the rotation angle of the text will be 0. We want it horizontal, so we just press enter to accept the 0. Our little cursor appears and we type side view. Like so. Enter once, enter twice, as we've done previously with single line text. Now, it's up to you if you want to align it exactly with the section view text. One of the ways that you could do this, just to cheat, is select this one, click on the grip there, move it back to that midpoint there, like that. Hit escape a couple of times, and then you can select both, click on one of the middle left grips and just drag that way like that. And you might think that they both move. Well, they're not going to. But what you can do is just select both of them, right click and move. Pick a point, say there, and just move, say, I don't know, 20, direct distance entry, and enter. And as you can see, they tidy up accordingly. Various different ways that you can do that. You can use object snap tracking as well, but utilize your object snaps and your grips so that they're aligned with each other like so. If we now jump back to our Sections and Elevations tab, our Layout tab, you'll see that our side view annotative text appears nicely in our Sections and Elevations layout. So that's using an annotative text style. And in the next video, we'll take a look at how we use our annotative dimension styles.